Good morning and welcome to Moneyline. Today we have football predictions for you. 34 odds, 13 matches in total. First game we have is a game between Kenya taking on Ivory Coast, and my prediction here is Ivory Coast to win, at least to score 1 to 3 goals. I don't expect them to score more than 4 goals, even when Kenya is not a footballing nation. I still believe Kenya should be able to give them a tough time, at least to concede less than 3 goals in this match. And moving on, we have a game between Indonesia taking on Philippines. My prediction here is Indonesia to score under 3.5 goals. A game between Republic of Korea taking on China. I believe China is a strong team, even when we don't see them play football that often. And I believe Korea will not be able to score them more than 3 goals in this match. At least they will score under 3.5 goals. So 1 to 3 goals for Korea. Moving on, we have a game between Japan taking on Syria. My prediction here is under 3.5 goals for the home team, which is Japan. Moving on, we have a game between CR Buluda taking on Asochi in the Algeria League One, and my prediction here is home team under 2.5 goals. Then, still in Algeria League, we have a game between USM Kenchela taking on NC Magra. My prediction is 1 to 3 goals for the home team. We have a game between South Africa taking on Zimbabwe, and my prediction here is 1 to 3 goals for the home team, which is South Africa. And then we have another one between Zambia taking on Tanzania. These are not football nations, and I believe they will be able to keep their scoreline low. And I still believe Zambia will be able to score at least 1 goal in this game. So I give Zambia under 2.5 goals at full time. We have a game between Oman taking on Kyrgyzstan, and my prediction here is home team under 2.5 goals. Iran taking on Uzbekistan. Iran to score 1 to 3 goals in this game. Then we have a game between Tolanda taking on Ansala, and my prediction here is home team 1 to 3 goals. I have a game between Iraq taking on Vietnam, and my prediction here is under 2.5 goals for the home team, which is Iraq. Then the last game we have here is a game between Saudi Arabia taking on Jordan, and my prediction here is 1 to 3 goals for the home team, which is Saudi Arabia, and that gives us a total of 35 odds. So this is the booking code for those people using Sportive. If you are using other platform, you can convert this game to your local bookie and play them. I wish you good luck, and always remember to bet responsibly. If you want to join our VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section where you win every day. Thank you so much.